Thangnai sal kisa sekang thagyai Watwi wamani bagai kereng thayo nok huk bai Lahar rok bai thangbai mani nukjakha. Kereng thaini deramung amjogoi nainani bagai 48 Karamcherrao Bidhan Sabha Kendra ni Masli Munda Para Ulta Chhora Naitong Chhora Nalkata Tripura Kami Chiching Chhora Amchai rok berai Naikha tei lama rok bo dodoro Swnamjakani bagai Dagikha MLA Dangsu bo bai oshalo logi o tongmani mono PWD ni Executive Engineer Mukul Debor ma bai PWD habanok ni adongsong.
Welcome to the future of innovation, where minds meet technology and dreams become reality. ICFA University Tripura, your gateway to a world of endless possibilities. Our state-of-the-art campus is a melting pot of brilliance, a place where creativity and technology converge. From modern lecture halls to advanced laboratories, we provide an environment that fosters intellectual growth and hands-on learning. Our dedicated faculties are experts in their fields, passionate about mentoring the next generation of innovators. From adrenaline-pumping matches to our all-genre of sports, our campus is alive with the spirit of competition. Within the realms of Ikeria, emerging as artists whose creations resonate with the heartbeat of artistic expression. Making Ikeria the true epicenter of creativity, where innovation meets education. Join us on the journey to redefine what's possible. Your future begins here. ICFA University Tripura. Dream big.